In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable subtitles on the Google Drive video player. Whether you're a student needing clear guidance through educational content or an avid movie buff who just loves watching foreign films, subtitles can significantly enhance your viewing experience. In this guide, you'll learn exactly how to enable subtitles so you don't miss a word, ensuring a smooth and informed experience every time you hit play. Firstly, let's start by accessing your Google Drive account. Head over to the Google Drive website and log in with your account details. This is your central storage location for all things Google, a virtual space accommodating everything from documents to videos. Once you're in, navigate to the video file that you have stored here. It's likely sitting within your cluttered or highly organized folders. Click on the video you want to watch. This will open up the Google Drive video player interface. Next, we need subtitles. While watching the video within Google Drive, you'll notice a small cog-like icon at the bottom right of your video player. This is your settings button. Click it to access several video settings, including subtitles. If your video already has subtitle files associated, they'll show up here. If you need to upload external subtitle files, maybe because they weren't included originally or you found a more accurate version, you'll need to use an external service to combine them, as Google Drive doesn't automatically recognize external SRT or VTT files. There are many tools available online to embed subtitles directly into the video file that ensure seamless sync and play during any future screenings. After relinking or embedding, upload the file back to your Google Drive, replacing or storing alongside your original if you prefer. To check if everything is set correctly, return to your player settings and choose from the subtitle options now available. Occasionally, some formats might require a quick refresh or logging out and back into your Google account to trigger fresh settings, so don't worry if things don't show up immediately. Remember, patience is key in digital setups like these. Finally, as you enjoy your video with perfect subtitles, consider adjusting subtitle appearance if fonts or sizes seem off. Explore the settings for visual adjustments. Some external media players linked to Google Drive may allow additional tweaks for a truly customizable viewing experience. And there you go. Now you're equipped with all the knowledge to enable and troubleshoot subtitles on your Google Drive video player. This small adjustment ensures every piece of dialogue or narration is clear and accessible, enhancing your understanding and enjoyment. Remember, having the right subtitles can make all the difference, whether you're learning something new or simply relaxing with your favorite flick. Enjoy your viewing, and don't forget to explore and adjust further settings to suit your personal preferences. Happy watching!